In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods in your Shopify store so that customers can check out and you can make money. So right now, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that, and we'll get started right away. So you want to sign into your Shopify store and go to your home page. Once you're here, you can click on settings at the bottom left corner, and you can then see all of these settings. In these settings, you want to find payment providers, which is right there. Then click on it. And then right there, you can see payment providers. So accept payments for your store using providers like Shopify payments, third-party services, or other payment methods. So as of right now, my store accepts payments with PayPal Express Checkout and Shopify payments because I set up PayPal already. But if you want to add payment methods, you can go over here and you'll see accepted payments: Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Maestro Pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, all of these different options. Now you can click on complete account setup right there, or you can click on view payouts. You can then check out all of this. If you want to add third-party services, or let's say Amazon Pay, you want to click right there on activate Amazon Pay or choose third-party provider. So let's say you want to use Stripe or whatever, you can then click right there, choose, and then you can then set up all of these, right? So you'll find these different payment methods. So let's see if I can find one. ePay right there, which is quite known. Let's see if you can find another one. PaySafe, which for me is not available in my country right now. If you then want to add one of these, you can simply click on it and you can then activate this, right? So you can see the accepted payments right there, the different cards, the different credit cards, and this is pretty much how you can add the payment methods. So once again, go to settings, payment providers, then click on third party, or you can activate PayPal, Amazon Pay, or whatever. I'll just show you that as well. Activate Amazon Pay, click on it, and this will then bring you over to Amazon where you can sign into your account and set this up. And this is pretty much how you can do this. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out, if it worked, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.